An oyster lies quietly at the bottom of the sea. After a while, it settles in one place and never moves. You can live your life like an oyster, or the world can be your oyster. When it's time to get out there and see the world, you need to work with a travel agency who has seen the world, and one that will give you the guidance, expertise, and recommendations to make your next vacation the trip of a lifetime. Carol's Travel Service and Cruise Center is a family-owned full-service travel agency that has been serving clients across North America from the Chicagoland headquarters since 1980. Wherever your dreams are leading you, Carol and her team of certified travel professionals will ensure that every detail is taken care of, from your very first hello to your welcome back home. We have travel professionals that specialize in just about every corner of the world. So whether you're planning a trip to Mexico, the Caribbean, Hawaii, Europe, or Australia, we have you covered. Want to hit the high seas? We specialize in cruising the world. There are cruise vacations for just about every taste you can imagine. From the upscale elegance of Holland America, Cunard Line, and Princess Cruise Lines, to the activities and fun of Carnival or Royal Caribbean. A cruise is like no other vacation. It's a great way to see it all. We're a down-home, family-run agency that believes in value and service and are proud to provide every customer with our knowledge and expertise in vacation planning. We're firm believers that travel makes a difference in people's lives. That's why we're involved with several community organizations that offer the experience of travel and giving back to those in need. Carol's Travel Service is Chicagoland's premier vacation planners. A little bit of high tech and a whole lot of high touch. Allow us to plan your next trip. Call Carol's Travel at 1-800-535-2670 or visit www.carolstravel.com. The world is your oyster. It's our job to make sure that yours has the pearl in it.